Are you looking to get in army shape? You want a workout that is twice as effective with half the time, that is strictly made for burning body fat, getting you stronger. It's not only going to test you mentally, but physically as well. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Army Boot Camp workout. This is Rob Gibson. I'm coming to you with the 30-30 Mossberg Shotgun workout. Stay tuned for all the details. This workout is amazing for many reasons, okay? One, it's short. Two, you don't need any equipment. It's all body weight. And three, it's a fat burning machine. All right, so what this what this workout is for is it's for you to plug it in anywhere you want. Okay, you can plug it in early in the morning, or if you only have a little bit of time after work, you can plug it in after a strength workout. You can plug it into PT. It is a very short but effective workout that is strictly going to get body fat off of you and get you mentally stronger. Let's get into the workout details. Okay, this is a pretty simple workout. It kind of tells you right there in the title, 30-30 Mossberg Shotgun. So every exercise is going to be for 30 seconds. Your first exercise is going to be a full body weight exercise. And then your second is going to be a body weight cardio exercise. Your third exercise is going to be another body weight cardio exercise. And then your fourth exercise will be a balance exercise. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do all 4 rounds for 30 seconds. As soon as we're finished, we will not rest. We will go into the next set. We will repeat this 5 times for 10 minutes total. Let's get into it. All you're going to need for this workout is yourself, a timer as always, and for you beginners, you may need an inclined surface, meaning you might need a chair, an inclined hill, or a sturdy table or a bench. Okay, as we said earlier, your first exercise is going to be a total body, full body, cardio, muscle endurance exercise. This means we're doing plyometrics. This means we're trying to hit the upper body, we're trying to hit the lower body, we're trying to hit the core. This is where we start. We start hard, right? We start really hard, and we're going to start with a burpee. Make sure we are using good form and we're landing softly. Okay, in this next exercise, all you need is something to aim for, okay? Whether it's a dirt spot or you put your jump rope down, but you're gonna hop back and forth. What we need to realize is this is gonna keep us athletic. This is going to keep our ankle strength strong. This is going to not only keep our heart rate up, right? But we're also burning glycogen by doing plyometrics, back and forth, back and forth. So this will accelerate fat burn. It will keep our heart rate up and keep us athletic at the same time. And as we all know, the mountain climber is an excellent exercise, right? Why? Because it's challenging our core, right? It is challenging our core isometrically, meaning we're getting that type 1 muscle fiber worked, right? Not only that, but it's challenging our arms, our chest, our triceps, our shoulders for keeping our body straight. And then you're pumping your leg, getting your heart rate up. So again, another glycolytic, another heart rate raiser, and body fat killer, right? And last on this exercise list is the 1-arm, 1-leg touchdown. So this is great for balance, great for hamstring strength. And what this does is it allows us to catch our breath while we are challenging our muscles, right? We're challenging our balance. We are challenging our coordination. This is an excellent way to get your heart rate to go back down just slightly, but not too much, and get you ready for your next round. So once you finish your last exercise, we're going to jump right back into it, right? We're going to go right back into burpees. what we're doing here is what our last exercise, the one leg touchdown, is really where you're going to catch your breath, but you're still challenging yourself with your balance, your coordination. You're working on leg strength, right? Because you're only on one leg, so we're really keeping us athletic, okay? As we continue through the workout and we don't stop, we keep going, this 10-minute workout is just as beneficial or more beneficial than, say, a 20-minute jog, okay? So because of the fact that we are burning glycogen through plyometrics, we are also burning glycogen through exercises such as the burpee when we're doing push-ups, we're doing jumps, right? So you have twice the benefit because your heart will stay up the same amount or higher as you would if you were going for a jog. So this is why these workouts are twice as effective. You get things done in about half the time and sometimes a little less, right? So just keep the motion going, keep the heart rate up, and don't stop until 10 minutes is over, and you will get the maximum benefits of this workout. And if you have some extra time and you're super high speed and that wasn't enough, you could always take a nice little break, say 2 minutes, and repeat the workout so you can get a nice 20-minute workout. You want to do it 3 times, get a 30-minute workout, go ahead. The choice is yours. It's up to your level of fitness. And for all you beginners out there, I hope you didn't think I forgot about you. I never forget about you. So we have a workout for you where you can start out. It's the same workout. It will give you the same benefits, but we just switch up the exercises just a little bit so they're on your level. So let's get into the beginner workout. Okay, so your first exercise, your first 30 seconds of this workout is going to be the incline up down, right? So this is our baby steps, okay? Guys, remember, and girls, if you want to increase the intensity, you can do incline burpees. If you think you're ready to do regular burpees, do regular burpees. All I'm doing is giving you baby steps where you can start out. You don't want to start out too hard too soon. That's how we get injured. That's how we mentally screw ourselves and we quit on ourselves, right? So start slow. Next 30-second block is going to be the half jack, okay? With the half jack, we're getting that body weight cardio, we're using our upper and lower body, and we're still getting in plyometrics by jumping, right? So again, if you want to advance a little more with this, do a full jumping jack, okay? And just slowly progress and realize that this is your starting point and we will graduate very, very soon. So stay patient, keep going. After our half jacks, we're going to go down into an incline mountain climber. Okay, this is again baby steps. So if you think you are more capable or you are more advanced than you were last week and you did these inclines on the chair last week, go down, drop it down to 2 sandbags or drop it down to a bench or whatever, something a little lower, and challenge yourself a little more. But again, remember, if you're first starting out, I highly recommend you do these exercises. And this brings us to our last exercise, which is 1, to get our heart rate down just slightly, but not too much, and 2, to work on balance, work on those small muscles that nobody ever thinks about and they wonder why they get hurt, right? This is going to keep our ankle strength strong, our hip strength strong, and not only that, but it helps us with our balance and our coordination. So make sure you get these in, don't skip these. Get ready for our next set. So as we know, we still have 4 more sets. We only finished 1 set, right? We're only 2 minutes in, so we still have 4 left to go. We want to get 5 sets total, keeping our heart rate up, realizing that we are being glycolytic by using plyometrics, right? We are being glycolytic by doing full body exercises, and we're also keeping that heart rate up, right? So meaning This is twice as beneficial as just going for a jog. A jog really just gets your heart rate up, right? So this 10-minute workout is like doing a 20-minute jog, right? But you're doing it in half the time. So realize the benefits. Realize that if these are really short workouts, you can always plug them in. They're not hard to schedule, right? They can be challenging, especially if you're just starting out, but they are easy to fit into your schedule, so you have no excuse. So get the work in and get in shape. This is Rob Gibson signing out. I hope you had a great workout. I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoy these workouts, I highly recommend you get the 60-day Army Boot Camp Workout Fitness Plan. It's a step-by-step instruction on getting you off the couch to the advanced level.